This is the easiest eggplant recipe you'll find. Why eggplant? Because it's a low-calorie vegetable that contains fiber, vitamin C, and B6, all good for your brain and nerves and heart healthy. It lowers blood pressure, also has anthocyanins and cholinergic acid that prevents oxidative stress. Start with preheating the oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Get your vegetables out: tomatoes, eggplant, ginger, green chili, cilantro, and 1 large onion. Put the tomatoes and eggplant into the preheated oven and convection roast. Remember, it has to be convection roasted, not baked, to get that smoky flavor for 30 minutes. Start with olive oil in a pan. Add a teaspoon of turmeric, cumin seeds, dried red chili is optional, and bay leaf. On low flame, stir this, and when the cumin seeds start crackling, the next step is to add finely chopped onions, ginger, and green chili. Stir this on low flame again, and this may take about 3 to 4 minutes to turn pinkish in color. I'll leave this on low flame and meanwhile chop my cilantro leaves. I've taken a small bunch of cilantro leaves. Now my tomatoes and eggplant is ready. I leave this on the shelf for about 5 or 7 minutes and peel the skin off. You can leave the skin on, but traditionally we peel the skin off to get that smoky flavor. The skin really comes out easily. Eggplant also helps in controlling blood sugars and also helps with enough iron for iron deficiency anemia. Here's the tomatoes and eggplant all peeled. Now to the cooking onion, I'm going to add tomatoes and eggplant with the juices that it also secreted during the baking process. Mix this all together, and I'm doing this on a medium flame. And while mixing it, I'm also mushing the vegetables all together. As you see, about in 5 to 7 minutes, the whole mixture gets more darker in color. I'm going to add half of the cilantro that I chopped, and again mix it all together. Leave it on the low flame, and now I'm adding a tablespoon of garam masala, any curry powder, or just plain roasted cumin seeds. Mix this all together, leave it on the flame for another 3 to 4 minutes. Add salt to flavor, and then mix it all together. You can see the ingredients leaving the side of the pan. Now I switch off the flame and sprinkle half a lemon juice on it. This lemon juice gives a nice tangy flavor. So here's your amazing Baigan Bharta ready. It has a sweet and tangy flavor. The rest of the cilantro is used for dressing. And you're ready to eat your eggplant or Baigan Bharta. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to share your recipes. Until then, bye-bye from Mindful Scoops. Take care.
If you liked the video, smash that like button and comment down below.